This week we're going to highlight a continued strong export sales pace of U.S. corn. Then we're going to turn our attention to South America, looking at planting progress and weather trends for Brazil and Argentina. And we're going to wrap things up with a review of long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the latter half of November here, and we're really focused in on the demand trends now for corn, specifically looking at export sales. Let's take a look at the export sales pace here in the U.S. We've emphasized here this last few weeks here how strong the export pace has been for U.S. corn. The first slide here, though, includes China. That's that red bar. So we're still looking at a pace that's below 3 and 4 years ago. Now, when we remove China, look at how strong the pace of unshipped sales of corn is. Well above the last few years, and in fact, a multi-decade high in terms of unshipped corn export sales. Here's a key message we want to highlight. The reason that that figure is so high is that the U.S. remains the world's cheapest origin for corn, and foreign demand should become increasingly reliant on the U.S. during the December to February and March to May time periods. So we'll keep an eye on this for you moving forward. Let's turn our attention to South America now, where they're planting full season corn in Brazil, and they're also planting corn in Argentina. Let's start with where that corn is produced in Brazil. This is full season corn, and it usually accounts for about 25% of Brazil's corn production. About half of that corn is produced in those southern states, Paraná, São Paulo, Santa Catarina, and Rio Grande do Sul, where the other half is in the north. Let's take a look at planting progress now. Planting progress here, again, I mentioned a moment ago, in the south is further along. States Rio Grande do Sul is nearing completion. Same for Santa Catarina and Paraná. In the north, however, it's a little bit slower, but we'll keep an eye on that for you, again, moving into December. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends now for Brazil. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Starting out here looking at the next storm system that's forecast to move through, and that's Sunday through Thursday of the coming week. Now look at that southern area of Brazil there, those states that I mentioned a moment ago. It looks like they're going to get some scattered rainfall there, not heavy amounts, but scattered rain. Key message is the farthest along the corn is in the state of Paraná. It's about 7% pollinating, but the vast majority of that corn is far from pollination. So we got a ways to go. Let's look at the 14-day precip totals now. Again, look at those highlighted states in the south that are further along. Plenty of moisture. So for the time being, it looks like that crop is off to a decent start. But there's some concerns longer term that a switch to a La Nina weather pattern may dry that area out. Let's switch gears now and focus further south in Argentina. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced in Argentina. We've highlighted 4 key provinces here: Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. About 80% of the corn is produced in those 4 provinces. Let's take a look at the weather trends now for Argentina. Now, same slides here, but focusing further south, obviously. Looking at heavier rainfall across that area over the next 7 days. They're about 40% planted nationwide in Argentina, so we got a ways to go yet. Look at the next 2 weeks, again, ample rainfall across the south there, so no concerns at the moment. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn 2024 futures, as we tape here on Tuesday, is trading near $4.30 a bushel. Remember that the crop insurance harvest price for 2024 was already set there during the month of October at $4.16 a bushel. But it's critical that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage any unpriced 2024 bushels. And it's not too early to think about 2025 with December corn trading near $4.40 a bushel. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.